Let's do something we like to call social media check-in. Let's see what the squad has to say. Let's see what their issues, questions, problems, concerns are, Jonathan.
All right. John Adele, a Brad Squad VIP member. Is my application considered abandoned if I travel with a pending AP renewal, even if I have valid AP?
If you have a valid advance parole, you can travel it. You have not abandoned your adjustment. If you have no valid advance parole and just a pending application for a new advance parole, you have abandoned your adjustment. You will not be allowed back in America.
Don Hamilton, a Brad Squad VIP member. I have an interview in a few weeks based on a marriage petition, but we don't have the lease agreement. We live with family and contribute to all expenses as it relates to the house. Will that hurt our case?
No. You don't have a lease agreement doesn't mean you can't prove it's a real marriage and you live together and have a financial relationship.
Adepitan Janet Olowasesun, Brad Squad VIP member. I called my lawyer to ask if he had sent my RFE, request for further evidence, but he said he sees that it's still pending. What does that mean? Have they received it or not?
It means they've received it and the case is pending and they're looking at it. That's what I would assume.
Russian Scott, Brad Squad VIP member. If I'm a citizen here in the U.S., how often can I leave the country?
Whenever you'd like.
Ron Adams, Brad Squad VIP member. My cousin didn't report to his probation officer and he left the country. Can he come back as a tourist since he abandoned his residency?
No, there's probably a warrant out for his arrest too.
Yeah, Joan Erica on Facebook. Can someone attend the interview for a green card if the biometrics have not been completed? What if the biometrics are completed, but the results are not ready by the date of the interview?
You get an interview, you go, no matter biometrics or no biometrics.
Armand Dave Brignac Brute Gold on Instagram. Can I get my visa back after overstaying in America due to an illness? Can I get adjusted to a business visa?
Well, you have an excuse why you overstayed. You would have to show medical records, a hospital record that you were incapacitated and couldn't leave. Being sick in bed with a cold is different than being incapacitated in a hospital. So it depends what the sickness was. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.